Today on the Road Hard Roadhouse, I'm going to teach you how to open up a hood on an International Scout when the hood is stuck shut. Let's get it started. On the Road Hard Roadhouse today, I'm going to teach you how to open a International Scout's hood when the latch is frozen. So what you're going to do is, if you can't get it to open from inside, you get down, take off the passenger side tire in the front, and you can stick a rod right up to here and press back. So if you're watching that, you stick a rod up here to this, press it back, and it'll open the latch. Now what I did was I shot a bunch of penetrating oil, one of those PB blasters, and it blasted all the way up to here from the passenger side wheel well. So I could shoot it all the way up here, and it soaked it to where I could stick a metal rod up here and press this back. That is how you open the hood on a International Scout where you cannot open it from the inside of the truck. We're going to be doing a lot more videos on this International Scout because it's my wife's first vehicle that she ever drove. So we're going to get this thing started. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video where we're going to start this thing. We're going to start this thing for the first time in 20 years. So stay tuned for that as well. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her up wet.